Lamborghini just dropped the 2025 Urus, and it's an absolute monster. With nearly 800 horsepower, a brand new hybrid system, and a fresh design that screams dominance, this SUV is rewriting the rulebook. It's faster, smarter, and more aggressive than ever. But Lamborghini has made some big changes, and some might surprise you. First, let's talk power! Under the hood, Lamborghini has ditched the standard V8 for a plug-in hybrid system. But don't let that fool you. This beast now packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 plus an electric motor, pushing out 789 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, and a top speed of 194 miles per hour. And the best part? That hybrid system isn't just for efficiency. It boosts performance. Lamborghini didn't just tweak the powertrain. They've given the Urus a fresh, more aerodynamic look. A redesigned front bumper, sharper LED lights, and an overall sleeker profile make this thing look like a fighter jet on wheels. And check out the new active aero elements. Lamborghini says they improve downforce and cooling, making the Urus more stable at high speeds. Inside, it's pure luxury meets cutting-edge tech. A fully digital instrument cluster, massive touchscreen, and premium materials make this SUV feel like a spaceship. Oh, and did I mention the new AI-driven driving modes? Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising through the city, the Urus adapts to your style. So how does the 2025 Urus stack up against the competition? Bentley and Porsche bring the heat, but Lamborghini's insane performance, sharp styling, and hybrid innovation might just keep it ahead of the pack. What do you think? Is the 2025 Lamborghini Urus the ultimate luxury SUV? Let me know in the comments.